Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt confused about filing your state taxes, today's video is just for you. I'm going to show you how to add and file your state taxes using the TurboTax app for 2025 quickly, efficiently, and accurately. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to file without any headaches. Let's dive in. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner and enter your username and password. Don't have an account yet? No worries. You can create one in just a few minutes. Once logged in, you'll land on your TurboTax dashboard, which is your hub for all tax filings. Next, select 2024 taxes to access the current tax year's files. Make sure you're viewing the correct year, especially if you have any extensions or multiple filings. This ensures all your income, deductions, and credits are correctly matched to the right tax year. Navigating to state taxes now, let's move to state taxes. In your tax files, locate and click the state taxes section. This is where all your state-specific income deductions and credits are entered. If you're filing for multiple states, you'll need to repeat this process for each one individually. TurboTax makes it simple to toggle between them. Preparing your state return. Click Prepare State to Start. TurboTax will guide you through questions about your state residency, income details, and eligible deductions and credits. The best part? TurboTax automatically pulls your federal information to streamline the state filing process, saving you time and reducing errors. Finalizing and filing. Once you've entered your state-specific details, click Let's Get Started and carefully review all information. Make sure everything aligns with your federal return and pay attention to suggestions TurboTax provides for common deductions and credits. Once you're confident everything is accurate, hit File. And that's it. Your state taxes are officially submitted. And that's how easy it is to add and file your state taxes using TurboTax. No more stress, no more confusion. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple tax tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy filing.